Another plate, guys. Before I show you this, I'll show you all the garbage that comes out of it. And I still need this cable to come out. I'm gonna pull it back from the rear. And as soon as you touch this blue plug, it comes this gray one on the kit that you gotta plug it. Okay, so you take everything out of there. This is the one that comes from here, right here. And then this one is plugged into it. So you gotta just take it out. And you put the gray one that comes on the kit. See, I already did the blockage, the blue one. It's already blocked. Now I have to put a hose here with the next part that I'm gonna install here on these two screws right here. And then another two hoses come from the back. And if you have the kit, the airflow, you need that, the third hose. So it's coming together. So in a little bit, I'll have it all installed, and then you guys will see how it looks. Much cleaner. Took all the garbage out. Still need to take this big hose out. It's gonna be much cleaner and much nicer and much more powerful for the exhaust. Peace.